friends, welcome to the Technical Trends YouTube channel. I am Dharma. In this video, I will be presenting you two best stocks to buy for next 3 to 6 months in 2021. The stocks which I have given recently to buy in 2021 are doing extremely good. You may track them in our earlier videos. Friends, if you would like to know more profitable stocks like this, then make sure to stay connected with our channel. So let's get started. Friends, first company is Brigade Enterprises Limited. It's a construction and contracting real estate based company. Let's see some fundamentals of this company. This company, Brigade, is a leading property developer in South India. Their projects extend across several major cities in South India, including apartments and villas in Bangalore, Chennai, Chikmagalur, Hyderabad, Kochi, Mangalore, and Mysore. Brigade Group is headquartered in Bangalore with branch offices in several cities in South India and a representative office in Dubai. Brigade Group has also established a strong stamp into the commercial space by building some of the biggest malls in Bangalore city. Brigade Group has a uniquely diverse multi-domain portfolio that covers property development, property management services, hospitality, and education. This company, it is a small cap company with 6,000 market cap. Today it has closed 285 in NSE. Price to book is very good, under 3 is okay. Return on equity also is okay. 1 year performance is about 21. Net profit is also is good. It is increasing year on year. Net sales also compare with market cap is very good, and debt to equity also is not bad. So these are the some of their projects, residential, commercial, shopping malls, etc., and hospitality, like Holiday Inn. Pictures you can see here. Friends, let's see a few good things about this company. This company promoters keep on increasing share capital quarter on quarter, and the price is trading at 52 weeks high. Growth in profit, net profit with increasing profit margin quarter on quarter. Increasing revenue every quarter for the past 2 quarters. These are all good points. Increasing profits every quarter for the past 2 quarters. Company is able to generate net cash, improving net cash flow for last 2 years. Company with zero promoters pledged. FIIs and FPIs are increasing their shareholding. Strong momentum, prices above all short to medium to long term moving averages. So friends, let's see the shareholding patterns. Here this blue one is total promoters quota, just under 50%, but that's still very good, not bad. FIIs also holding about 11.68%, and DI is 21% close to. So let's see the price movement, how it is going on. It is away from 52 weeks low, is about 215%. So it has grown up from the bottom of last year COVID fall around 215%, and now it is away from 52 weeks high, and it is an outperformer when we compare with Nifty by about 8.85%, whereas Nifty is 5.3% in 1 month time frame. You can see here 1 week, monthly, 3 months, year to date, and 1 year to 3 years performance. So friends, let's see the technical performance and its targets. Friends, you can see Brigade Enterprise Limited chart pattern. The price is trading above 1 year price and all-time high also. Today it has closed more than 5% at 285 in NSE, and this is trading about 200 DMA, and you can see it is rising every day. And after budget, you can see steep uphill sort of price hike. So this stock, what I am suggesting to buy close to 260 270 range with a stop of around 250. Okay, and ride for the profits of 326 and 400. That is about 45 to 50% in 3 to 6 months. Very short time you can gain this much profits. Friends, this is a very good real estate company. So friends, as part of your portfolio, you can accumulate on every decline for the big profits. So let's see the next company. Friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share among your friends and family. If this is the first time you are watching my video, then please make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest videos. And also you can join our free Telegram channel for the updates. The link is in the description below. Friends, the next company is AstraZeneca Pharma India Limited. Hope you all know that this company is now in news with the COVID related vaccine, etc. Let's see some fundamentals of this company. AstraZeneca India was established in 1979 and is headquartered at Bangalore, Karnataka. AstraZeneca Pharma India is the operating company and covers manufacturing, sales and marketing activities of the company in India. It is a listed company and is subsidiary of AstraZeneca PLC UK. It has a workforce of over 1400 employees across the country that is committed to deliver life-changing medicines to patients through innovative science, global excellence in development and commercialization. The company has innovative portfolio in crucial areas of healthcare including cardiovascular, renal, metabolic diseases, oncology and respiratory. Friends, this is the small cap company with 9,727 crores of market cap. Today it has closed at 3,891. In NSE, price to book is bit high. Return on equity also not bad. 1 year performance is 31 crores plus, and net profit is not bad. Net sales compared to market cap is very good. Debt to equity is 0. No debt at all. This company's few things, good things, let's see. Effectively using shareholders their funds on return on equity, improving since last 2 years. Efficient in managing assets to generate profits, improving since last 2 years. That also company with no debt, strong cash generating ability from core business, improving cash flow from operation for last 2 years. Annual net profits improving for last 2 years. Book value per share improving for last 2 years. Company with 0 promoter pledge. FII and FBA is also increasing their shareholding. Let's see shareholding pattern. If you see here, only promoters are having about 75% and FI is 2.3 and DI is 1.46%. Let's see price movement now. It's trading 106% away from 52 weeks low and nearly 22% away from 52 weeks high. If you notice here, it is an underperformer. I have given green in color. I will explain why that is in while showing chart pattern. AstraZeneca Pharma is down by 11.4% in a month when compared with the Nifty, whereas Nifty is above 5%, 5.36%. Friends, you can see here in 1 week it has given 6.5% positive return, but since 3 months it didn't do much. It is traded negatively. So let's see the technical performance and its targets. Friends, you can see here AstraZeneca chart pattern. It has closed 38.91 in NSE today, and since more than 2 years it is an uptrend with the swings. This is 200 DMA line, and I have mentioned that I'm going to explain why I have given green in color for underperformance. So I will show you here. Friends, this is its price has closed below 200 DMA here once, twice, thrice, fourth time and fifth time. Now it has started rising from there. See, I'll show you. So now this is the time you should be buying this stock. So that's why I have given a call to purchase the stock on every decline. Friends, this is going to give you beautiful return in just under 3 months. Between 2 to 3 months time, definitely it will give around 30% return. You have to try to accumulate between 3700 to 3800 price range with a stop loss of 3500 for the target of 4250, 4900. So friends, you purchase this one on every decline. So friends, keep your trailing stop as explained also in earlier video, and trade as price rises. So friends, if you would like to know more profitable stocks like this, then make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for our latest videos. And don't forget to comment, like and share among your friends and family. So friends, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you will benefit from this video, and see you in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.